there's either too much material that's forcing this pin forward,
Yeah.
or there's too much material on the back side of this pin. Same thing. So it's forcing it to where it can't sit back all the way right here.
Okay. And is that
So-
spring an issue too? I mean, should that be,
Yeah, the
that
spring,
piece be up a little more
So
to
what
kind
I'd
of
have
hold
to
it?
do on this one is this is actually supposed to be down. This top little part of the spring is supposed to be down to where it's catching that pin. But there's nothing, I mean, it can't catch that pin because it's too far up. So
Yeah.
then I'm having to knock that down, which, like I said, these hard ones, it's breaking them. So if the spring's too hard, that'll snap right off the bat as soon as I try and tweak that down. This spring actually doesn't feel too hard. It has a little pliability to it. So this one's a good spring at least. But yeah, I'll have to bend the little part down, bend this up, and I may have to adjust that ridge a little bit too because it's a little steep, that might catch.
Yeah.
So that's mostly the biggest issues are the springs. But there's also a lot of them I'm having to get in here with my die grinder and grind the backside of these pins because I can't really get in to grind these without pulling it completely apart.
Yeah.
And if I try and grind back here, I'll get into the spring and cause a weak spot, and then I'll break it for sure.
Yeah.
So I think the real issue is if we can get a little less material on this,
Yeah.
then it won't knock this pin forward when you go to jack it.
Okay.
So yeah, 'cause like you see, you just can't go in there. So we got that gap right here
Yeah.
where we're stuck.